Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Now we are going to discuss about the project multiple types of cancer classification using CT and MRI images based on the learning without forgetting the powered deep learning models. Now we are going to discuss about the abstract of the process. Detecting multiple types of cancer using the image processing and deep learning techniques is an transformative approach that leveraging the advanced algorithm and analyze the medical images such as lots of medical images like X-rays, CT scans and MRIs. In this process we have implemented some of the images like CT images and MRI images to detect the multiple type of cancers in the images. By employing the deep learning models, these systems can simultaneously identify the diverse cancer type, enhancing the early diagnosis as well as the treatment plan, and finally the patient care methods. This technology holds the potential to revolution by using the MRI is more comprehensive and efficient cancer screening and detections method. One of this method is very helpful to detect the cancers as well as the any kind of tumors priorly. The accuracy of the brain tumor segmentation was significantly improved by using the convolutional neural network, which are frequently used in the field of biomedical segmentations. So in this image segmentations we are using the CT and the MRI images, which is having the high accuracy during the classifications. So we have applying the machine learning classification to detect whether the input is cancerous or not. So the user can select any images like a cancer image or non-cancerous image. The system model can predict accurately whether it is cancerous or not. So we have to justify the process of the classification by means of the accuracy and the error rate. In case of accuracy is high, in the sense the performance of the classification is high. Now we are going to discuss about the flow diagram of the process. This is the overall working flow of this project. This project consists the modules such as input image, pre-processing, data splitting, feature extraction, classification, and finally performance estimation. At first, the input image is taken from the dataset. The input image may be the cancerous or may not be the non-cancerous image. So the user can select any one image from the dataset. After the selection of the image from the dataset, the pre-processing will be carried out. In this pre-processing is applied to enhance the quality of the image. So we have to obtain the optimum quality of the image by using the image resize, then the grayscale conversion. So after applying the image resize, the image size of the image will be the optimum. After doing the image resize, the grayscale conversion is carried out. In this grayscale conversion, even the image is looking like a grayscale image, so it will having the RGB band. So we have to convert that RGB band into one grayscale band by using the grayscale conversion method. After doing the image resize and then the grayscale conversion, the data splitting will be carried out. In this data splitting, obviously we know about we have two kinds of data will be there, like test data and train data. So we have splitted the images and test images as well as train images. So after doing the data splitting, the feature extraction will be carried out. In this feature extraction, the convolutional neural network is an algorithm used to extract the features from the images. After doing the feature extraction, the test feature will be generated for the input image alone. For example, if I am extracting the features from the input, in the sense that will be considered as a test feature. In case of if we are extracting the features from the overall dataset, in the sense we have a trained model with this the trained features. During the classification, we have to import the test feature, train feature and labels together. So label is the categorization. For example, if we have two kinds of categories in the dataset like cancerous as well as the non-cancerous, in the sense the number of label will be the 2. So after doing the classification, we just have to the estimation like performance, like accuracy, sensitivity and specificity. Now we are going to discuss about the running procedure of the process. At first, open the Spider 3.7. After that, we have to change the current directory like this. After that we have to open the main file.py, then the coding will be open. Now we have to click the run button here. After clicking the run button here, the dataset will be open. In that dataset we have three kinds of dataset will be there. One is belongs to the brain tumors, then the another one is belongs to the kidney stone, then this another one is belongs to the mammogram ultrasound images. So we have to select any one image from the dataset. After the selection of the image from the dataset, the process will be done automatically one by one in the console window. So during the execution it will take some time to the execution, because the reason is after importing the images, the overall dataset images will be trained by using the local binary pattern algorithm. So we have some time to the executions. Once the feature was extracted, the convolutional neural network layers will be executed one by one. These are the epochs we have assigned for the layers. Around 10 epochs we have given, so the epochs will be run one by one. Now the process was executed completely. We can see the results one by one. This is the original image which we have imported from the dataset. The user can select not only for the kidney images, user can select any images like kidney images, brain images. So we have mammogram images, so we have to select any one image from the dataset. After the selection, corresponding image will be shown in this console like this. Then the grayscale conversion will be carried out. Before that, the image will be resized. You can see the difference here. Here the y-axis and x-axis is around 500. After doing the resize, the x-axis and y-axis is around 200. This is the changes between the image resize without the resize. After doing this one, the grayscale conversion will be carried out. This is the result for the grayscale conversion. Now after doing this one, the local binary pattern will be extracted. This is the image which shows the local binary pattern. After extracting the local binary pattern, the image will be trained for the all the images by using the local binary pattern. Now the convolutional neural network is applied here. These are the results belongs to the convolutional neural network. So the network layer is shown here. After doing the network layer estimations, everything, the RNN is applied here. This is the results belongs to the RNN. After doing the epochs, everything, we have to estimate whether the which type of cancer is this. So in this process we have applied the machine learning and deep learning to identify which kind of cancer is this. So we have imported the kidney. So this is belongs to the kidney type of feature extraction, kidney type of classifications. So kidney type of cancer is shown here. After doing this one, the performance will be evaluated based on the CNN, RNN and machine learning. So the results of CNN, machine learning as well as the RNN shown here. The accuracy of the CNN, accuracy of ML, then the accuracy of RNN is displayed here.